Hey everyone, welcome back to Forever Acres Kitchen, another cocktail episode for you today. We are making Strawberry Cucumber Spritzer. Now, yes, this is going to be a little pinky popping drink, but hey, it's summer, it's hot, and I love carbonated drinks in the summer, especially this one. I love strawberries, I love cucumbers. Hey, drink a spritzer, nothing wrong with that. We're going to be using Hendricks, Elderflower Liqueur, Peychaud's bitters. We're going to be topping it off with some Topo Chico lime. We're using some Turbinado simple syrup. So let's get started. All right, go ahead and drop in a thick cut cucumber, quartered up, 2 strawberries, quartered up, and then we're going to muddle that. Next, we're going to add 1/2 ounce of the Turbinado simple syrup, or you can use regular simple syrup. I'm just a real big fan of the Turbinado simple syrup. 2 dashes of your Peychaud's bitters. 1, 2. We're going to be using 1.5 ounce of your Hendricks gin and 1/2 ounce of elderflower liqueur. I'm going to drop in a large rocks glass while we shake. Oh, you know what time it is. Time to shake. Oh man, so much fun. Get your glass. Now we're gonna add some pretty ice to the glass. Isn't that pretty? Let's go ahead and fish out that large rocks glass because we're going to dirty dump this. That's right. We're just going to dump the contents into the glass. And now top it off with that Topo Chico. We're going to garnish this with a nice cucumber slice like so, and a strawberry. Ah, how pretty is that? There you go, Strawberry Cucumber Spritzer. Pinkies up. Oh, that's good. I can drink that all summer long. Till next time, drink well, my friends. Drink well. Pinky popping and all.